Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So just recently Apple introduced a lot of products and they've launched it like 4 weeks ago. And I know for sure a lot of people went ahead and ordered those products immediately. So my question is, should you order a product that is being launched immediately by Apple? And I think you shouldn't do that. Let me explain why. Whenever Apple introduces a new product, so let's say the battery pack that they introduced, this is a new product they introduced. This is the first generation product, the AirTags. Any new product, it seems to be lacking on some points. I know this is a battery pack that should resemble a power bank, but it's far from it. If we take this product, for example, and I've been using this product for over a year now, this product will not charge your iPhone up till 100% in one charge. It will give you a 75% or maybe even a 50% if you are using your Apple while charging it with this battery pack, and you will not get a 100% charge out of it. And that's kind of weird because most tech products, such as most power banks, can charge your Apple devices or any other device for like 4 times, give you a full charge without a hassle. While this product right here, and it cost me around 80 euros, I guess, will not give you a full charge right out of the bat. You need to charge it again and again to get it at 100%. And that's a bummer if you would ask me. And that's maybe the reason why I'm holding this Apple Watch right here. Apple introduced the Apple Watch Ultra, and that brings me to the subject of this video. The Apple Watch Ultra is about $1,000 and a lot of people order that watch, but should you order that watch as well? Well, my guess is you shouldn't. I haven't had my hands on that Apple Watch Ultra, so I give you that. I can't decide for myself, but I've read a lot of articles about problems with the Apple Watch Ultra. The battery is not that good as Apple is claiming if you're using it. Well, if you have it on your wrist and it's not doing anything, it will hold up for a couple of days. But if you're using it quite frequently, you will notice that the battery is decreasing on a high rate. This is the Apple Watch Series 7 and I love it very much. So I've been wearing this watch for about a year now and I really love it so much that I can't get rid of it. I truly am. Whenever the days I forget to charge it and it's not sitting on my wrist, it's like I'm missing something. So this is not the first product of its generation. It's the 7th product. Am I telling you to wait like 7 generations after the launch of the Apple Ultra? No, definitely not. But just wait for the next generation Apple Watch Ultra if you're planning on buying an Apple Watch Ultra. I guess you will get the most out of it. Apple will get all that feedback back from the users, from how people are using it on a daily basis, and they will make a better version out of it that it will serve you for a lot of years to come. So if there's one thing you need to get out of this video, if there's a product launch and Apple introduce a new product such as the AirTags, the battery pack, the Apple Watch Ultra, which is a new product on its own, just wait. Do not just jump on a bandwagon and order it immediately. Just wait, and you will and buy the 2nd generation of that model, and you will get a lot of value out of your buck. So yeah, that was my 2 cents. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Like always, watch one of my recent videos right here. Subscribe to this channel. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.